How to remove Microsoft Authenticator account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search account.microsoft.com and log into your account. Then, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find different options. Click on My Microsoft Account. After you've clicked on My Microsoft Account, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, scroll down and click on Security. In Security, click on Security Dashboard. After you click on Security Dashboard, it will lead you to this page. Scroll down and click on Manage How I Sign In. After you click on Manage How I Sign In, you will find this kind of screen. Here, simply scroll down and click on Send Sign-In Notification. Then click on Remove in here. After you've clicked on Remove in here, click on Remove. As you can see, remove Microsoft Authenticator app. Press on Remove. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to remove Microsoft Authenticator account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.